Just picked up this disposable film camera for 15 bucks and gonna go test it out today in the Lower East Side in Manhattan and see how it comes out. Welcome back to my studio in Gowanus. Just want to recap the photo walk with this $15 disposable. If you're looking for technical camera advice, I just want to advise you that this is not the channel for you. I am more of a vibes guy than a technical guy. I don't know that much about cameras and settings and all that stuff. I know enough, but just want to get that out of the way. Overall, I had a great experience shooting with this. Got some pretty good shots in my opinion. And out of the camera, the lighting wasn't the best for most of the shots, so I made some small adjustments in Lightroom. It was a mix of sunny and cloudy that day. I would guess you call that partly cloudy. So some of the scenes were just washed out in terms of lighting, so made those adjustments. Some of my favorite photos that I took were this restaurant worker in Chinatown at Namwa. Was just kind of chilling outside, smoking a cigarette. Thought it was pretty cool. Also really liked this pigeon swarm right by the Manhattan Bridge. A few other ones, like kind of random weird scenes that I like to take pictures of. There's this guy who was putting a ladder on his truck, which I thought was pretty cool. And then I also really liked this fridge that was just kind of sitting out on the side of the street in the Lower East Side as well. This crosswalk series was pretty cool. I'm glad I got the stop sign in there. And then just this guy holding the dog, I felt was like a cool moment. If you're trying to shoot film, if you're interested in film, just grab one of these, go out, have fun, 15 bucks, get it developed somewhere for fairly cheap. I think the barrier to entry with film photography is much lower these days. With disposables, cheap point and shoots on eBay, the camera doesn't always matter just to get experience and get reps up. You don't need a specific camera. You don't need a couple $1,000 camera to make good shots and just have fun. Like this video is just about getting out there and enjoying taking photos, and I had a great time. So I'd encourage other people to get out and do the same, whether it's a $15 disposable, whether it's a $30, $40 point and shoot on eBay. I have a few point and shoots that I use and another, more manual camera that I use for film, but I think I will definitely continue to pick one of these up for a random event or trip or whatever, just to kind of get that aesthetic from a disposable point and shoot. So this was a fun video to make. I think I'm going to make more of these related to trying new cameras, exploring more areas in New York to take photos with, and just testing out new fun things. Hope you enjoy this video. A little bit different than my last ones, but I will see you next time.